we're going to the best place ever. Grandma and Anna's gonna be here, and I bet Grandpa too. Sorry, my tippy toes on it. Can't reach.
Yep, we're going to an air show this morning, so it should be a lot of fun. I don't think Lucy's never been, and the baby has never been.
Set me up there.
And
Set me up there.
It's gonna be really cool.
It's gonna be really fun. So, do you know what air show means? It's mean that airplanes are dangerous tricks in the sky.
Are you ready? Are you excited? We're going to Whole Foods. We're gonna get some coffee and some green juice.
Samples.
Find some samples. Where are they?
Over there.
What'd you find?
Samples.
So we had a little accident in Whole Foods. We dropped a smoothie, but what did we learn? We learned nothing. No, that we can't be perfect. Sometimes accidents happen, right?
You were so nice. I got you another smoothie.
But it was your fault. You wanted me to hold the bacon, and then that was too much.
It's my fault because I asked her to hold the bacon. This is our breakfast, coffee, bacon,
Oh,
green
my
juice.
bacon.
Is it like healthy with,
Oh,
I mean bacon
Healthy
is
with the
healthy,
side
right?
of fat.
Yeah. What's better, bacon or green juice?
Bacon. Bacon.
Bacon or green juice? Bacon or smoothie?
Bacon.
Yeah, bacon. Always bacon. Always bet on bacon.
We just watched Charlotte's Web last night. This is terrible.
Oh my gosh.
Hi, fast enough.
Look at us, Grandma and Grandpa wanted to drive, so we get to sit in the back and just like pretend like we're on a high schoolers on a date.
Yeah.
Okay, we're here and we're waiting for the air show.
Yeah.
Alessandra is here. She's a pretty big deal on the Instagram scene. She has 2 Instagram accounts. One for her chickens and one for her.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Okay, I was reading this article online about like what was the silliest fad when you were in school.
Well, there's been a lot of fads. Like,
Yeah, but like maybe
little,
just
little school, like elementary school, like
Yeah.
2nd, 3rd grade, silly bands.
silly bands.
Do you remember those?
I remember silly bands.
Like the different animal shapes or like hearts and stuff,
Yeah.
and people had them like,
Like
up
all
to
the
their
way up their
elbows. Julia down the street, she brought like 2 gallon-sized Ziploc bags of them, and we would like trade them. They banned them from school, and so people would like
Really?
meet in the bathroom, like just.
Trading silly bands. Okay, when I was in like 7th, 8th grade, it was cool to bring a briefcase to school
Heck.
for like 2 weeks. They were just so cool. You had like a combination, like a leather briefcase that you buy like at Office Depot, because they had like combination, so you could lock your stuff in, and then you open up the briefcase and there was like pockets for your pen, and like, I don't know, we just thought they were cool. Because we had backpacks our whole lives, so we just thought
You
like,
and like your 4 friends.
yeah, just like,
So it wasn't really a fad. It was just like a geeky.
yeah, just like 4 of us, for like 2 weeks, until like all of a sudden we took it somewhere, and someone like the library, the public library, someone was like, "Why do you have a briefcase?" And that kid was in high school, so all of a sudden we weren't cool anymore. Okay. Getting ready. We have a couple hours to go, maybe an hour and a half. There's some people on a paramotor flying by, and that's on my bucket list, because I want to get a paramotor and fly. The air show is
It might be
starting.
loud, Lulu, but you'll still like it. Yes. Yeah.
It's like a roller coaster.
Lucy, what do you think of that? Lucy, those planes are called the Blue Angels. thought about the air show?
Good, and I got popsicle.
And you got a popsicle. Is this the best day ever? Annie, were you impressed with the air show this time, or is it just... I mean, it's not YouTube videos. Apparently, kids aren't impressed these days.
Lucy, did you like that show?
Stace, you like that?
It's true. True.
Okay, we're done. We got here like at 9:30 and it is like 6:30. So we are heading back home and it's been a long day with no naps, but everybody's doing great, right? Knock on my door. I wanna make you feel beautiful. It's you.
We have a lot of talent in this family.
Oh my gosh.
So good.
That's pure gold. Pure gold. Cutting a record tomorrow.